Yep, it's starting now, Judge.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hold on, let me get him out first.
Okay.
What room was your client in? Is he?
Two.
Judge, is this him trying to sign back in? I told him to connect to audio, but I guess he's having problems with that. Is that him, Mr. Gio?
That is him. And Carson, if you can hear us, you have to click the screen and join the audio.
No, he can't hear.
Judge, if you want to call it, it's a civil infraction. I can just call him and let him know that what he knows what's going on.
Oh, okay. All right. Yep. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Carson Zeter. This is ticket number SP 13971161. This is one count originally of careless driving. It was dropped down to disregard traffic control device. It's here today for a formal hearing from an appeal from a magistrate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill on behalf of Mr. Zeter, P68445.
All right, and I see we have an officer here today. Officer, can you state your name for the record, please?
You're muted,
Unmute
Sergeant.
yourself.
There we go. Master Sergeant Jason McWhorter, Detroit Police Department.
All right, thank you so much. And we do have Mr. Carson. I think he can hear us now, Mr. Zeter. Mr. Zeter, can you hear us?
Yes, I can.
All right, can you state your name for the record, please?
Carson Ronald Zeiter.
Okay, all right. And it's my understanding, Attorney Hill, that you have spoken with the officer and prior to today, and you have reached a new resolution in this matter. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge. My client's going to be pleading to an amended charge of impeding traffic, and I thank Sergeant McWhorter for making that offer.
All right. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I just want to make sure, officer. Okay, with that being said, reading from the ticket to establish factual base, that's what you get. That on the date of, sorry, y'all, on the date of October the 14th, 2022, in the area of Steve Yeiserman Drive in West Jefferson in the city of Detroit, Mr. Zeter was driving a Ford vehicle and did impede traffic. Satisfied, counsel?
I am, Judge.
All right, and the court is satisfied as well. I'm going to enter a plea to the amended charge of impeding or blockading traffic for this. Mr. Snyder, you got a great deal. Let you not do this anymore, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the fine for this ticket is actually $175. I see you posted 160. So we'll apply that to this, but you're gonna be short by $15 that you're gonna have to pay, okay?
Okay.
Because the blockading and impeding ticket is $175, not 160, okay?
Okay.
All right, but I will have that bond that you paid on this ticket applied to this. You'll have to pay the remaining balance in the next 14 days, sir. So it'll be by January 20th that you need to pay that next $15 by so that this matter can be closed out, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, I thank you both so much. And Sergeant, please stay safe out there on the streets, okay?
Will do. Thank you, y'all. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you,
Thank you so
Judge.
much. Thank you, Attorney
care.
Hill. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Good to see you, Judge.
It's not the record today. It's an attorney call.
He's not online.
Oh, really?
Excuse me, Madam Clerk, you have me signed in?
Oh, Corporal Whitehead,
Yes, ma'am.
what matter are you here on today, sir?
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. I'm on
It's okay.
Patrice, let's see, Patrice Williams.
Thank you. She hasn't checked in yet, to my understanding. Just hold tight. I'll call it at 10 o'clock if she's not here, okay?
Oh, you called KPS at 10?
Yes, I do.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Officer Whitehead, Corporal Whitehead, did you leave and come back?
Yes, I'm in 3 different courtrooms. That's correct.
Okay, that's not a problem. I was just wondering, yeah, I thought I had renamed you, but and put who
Okay.
for, but
Yeah,
okay.
I'll be in another, I gotta check. Well, I'm gonna call him because I was supposed to be at 2:20. So I'm
Well,
gonna,
if you leave, do we have your number? If we have your number, just check back. I'll let them know that you're here. Just check back at 10, because if she doesn't sign in, I'll just take it's her anyway.
okay, because I did talk to the prosecutor. And
Okay.
he said he's coming to this courtroom, so he's aware of the case.
Okay, and he's in here. You talk to him, so he's in here.
Oh, okay. So I'll go ahead and go to room 220.
All right, fantastic. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Oh, shoot, she thought about it.
Well, that's because you didn't even know.
But lots of doctors and specialists to choose from. And if you have Medicare and Medicaid, a Humana plan may give you other important
Sheena Wilborn?
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am. Is there a reason you left the breakout room?
What do you mean?
You were here.
Am I supposed to be waiting?
Yeah, you were here earlier and I put you in a breakout room.
Oh, no, I'm still in that room. I just didn't understand if I was supposed to be there or not. Because you said when I'm done talking to the lawyer to come back to the courtroom.
Yes. Have you finished talking with the lawyer?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in a waiting room now.
I'm hello.
Hi, Miss Wilborn. You were trying to
Mhm.
say something as I was putting you in the waiting room. Were you trying to say something?
I'm in on two different you can put me back in the waiting room.
We're ready, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. All right, fantastic.
There is one unresponsive individual. She's still in the breakout room.
Candace Wells. Or Michelle Z.
No, no. Candace Wells, we're waiting for an offer. Matter of fact, Your Honor, there was some discussion Ms. Wells and I had with respect to what's in the ROA. Apparently she's suspended because she owes the court $120 on an old case from last January. She indicates that on the record, you indicated that she was to pay half of the fine, which was $240. You may remember her. The reason why you asked her to pay half, well, you may remember her. Anyway, she paid what essentially would have been half of the fine. There's an outstanding balance on that case of $120, and it's got her suspended. And it's really supplanting 3 other cases that she's here for today. So I thought maybe we could have a discussion about that and see maybe if you remember that individual or that case.
That's what we talked to yesterday on the phone.
Right, exactly.
Because
She had.
she still owes that?
Well, she, let me tell you, well,
Half.
she didn't say all that yesterday on the phone when I put her case today.
I remember
She
what it
told
was.
me that she had these other cases. She didn't tell me that I gave her a break on the case way back when. Okay, we'll talk to her in a moment. Let me do these other folks.
Okay. And just FYI, Judge, you may remember because you not only gave her the break, but you gave her an employment referral. She had, I think, cried that she was unemployed. But you gave her some good information as far as employment leads.
Let me print this out.
All right, she gonna print it out.
So
I'm-
this-
No matter though, orders were closing in. Trouble wasn't far behind. So it's never shut.
Mr. Woods?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Roosevelt Woods. This is ticket U 3753417. This is one.
Just gonna turn this TV off. It's hard to hear.
Mr. Woods? Whatever background noise you have going on, you have to cut it off.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Calling the matter of the people versus Roosevelt Woods. This is U ticket 375341171, count of disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Please court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Roosevelt Woods.
Judge, we're here for an arraignment on a bench warrant, and we asked the court to enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant. He did appear, he'd had some technical issues at the last date, and that's why he's here on a show cause. He did make his best attempt to appear. We're asking that the matter please be set for a trial, that there is a genuine and material issue of fact, and he's going to waive his right to a jury trial and agree to appear by Zoom. Thank you.
You sure you're gonna be able to appear by Zoom, Mr. Woods? Because I'm gonna need to see your face that day.
Yes, I'll try to make sure that I'll be set up.
Okay, you can raise your right hand for me. Do you
Yes.
swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. So you had a chance to talk to Attorney Boffman about your case and about your rights, is that correct?
That's correct.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trial and finder of facts, is that correct?
That's correct.
All right, I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on the date of March the 22nd, 2023. That's via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in, except for you can't just be on the phone. I need to physically see you in person next time on Zoom, okay?
Okay.
All right, put down some type of bond, so I'm gonna leave the bond in place until after this matter is resolved, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing else, that concludes this hearing. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
All right. Shelley Wojnowski.
I'm here.
I can see your face, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Shelley Reyes Wojnowski. This is ticket P 1334085. One count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, please? Ma'am, would you state your name, please?
Shelley Reyes.
Thank you.
And hold on a minute, Mr. Boffman, Attorney Boffman, we're gonna let her go get position first to where she needs to sit, and then we'll continue with the hearing.
1 second, please. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. Today is the date and time for a pretrial. The defendant is going to continue a not guilty plea and ask for a waiver trial date by way of Zoom, please.
If that's the case, ma'am, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Ma'am, did you have an opportunity to talk with Attorney Goffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on the date of March 22nd. That's
Okay.
22nd, March 22nd, 9 a.m. via Zoom, the same way you Zoomed on today. And I'm
Okay.
gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, ma'am,
All right,
Your Honor, I do have a question. Now, my daughter was just diagnosed with stage 4 cancer, and we've been like going back and forth to the hospital. Now, if there's any changes, can I just come in and let you know, like if if I'm at the hospital, bad connection or something, can I let you know?
absolutely. I'm so sorry to hear that, ma'am.
It's okay.
Do you want me to keep it at that far date, or do you want me to see if I can bring it a little closer?
Well, they said that the treatment's for 4 months, so and then I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. You don't have to apologize at all. I'm just trying to see if you're in the mindset, or do you want me to keep it at that further date and just try and figure
I
things
think
out?
I think a farther date would be okay, and hopefully everything goes well.
Amen. Okay.
Thank you,
All
ma'am.
right. Okay. Okay. If you need to change it, you call the courtroom and let us know, and we will. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
You have a blessed day. Thank you.
Attorney, well, before you get off, Attorney Goffman, do you want me to set it out further so she doesn't have to worry about this right now?
Sure. I mean, the less stress in your life, the better, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Give me a bit. Yes, you do. Give us some more time. Okay. How about April, and they'll send you a notice in the mail. I'm gonna set it out to April. That way it's not so close. This is gonna be the last thing on your mind right now, okay?
Correct. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'm gonna set it out to April 28th, okay? That'll just give you a
Okay.
little bit more time where you don't have to worry about this, and I hope I have really good news when you come back, okay?
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, ma'am, you have a good day, okay?
Thank you. You guys have a better one.
You're welcome. All right, bye-bye,
Bye-bye.
ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too. Thank you. It's okay. We're making it through.
That's right. That's the only way to do it.
Mr. Walker,
Good morning.
good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus John Henry Walker. This is ticket number P 1313169. Count 1, reckless driving. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Also calling ticket number P 1313188. 1 count pedestrian interfere with traffic. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Walker, state your full name, please.
Full name is John Henry Walker III.
Thank you, Judge. Our plea today is not guilty. We ask that the matter be set for a jury trial. The defendant is unwilling at this point to waive his right.
All right. So my jury trial date, huh?
He might benefit from court-appointed counsel.
All right. I do have some jury trial dates, which is exciting and very promising for me. So I'm going to get him some assigned counsel.
Thank you.
And I'm going to put this for a pre-trial date on February 17th, just to make sure assigned counsel is with it, and then make sure the date will work for him.
Understood.
So, sir, what I need you to do is call the courtroom when you finish, get off this call so that I can get some information so I can get a counsel assigned for you. Are you ready to take down the number?
Yes, I am.
313
Uh-huh.
965
Yes, ma'am.
2293.
Okay.
All right. Oh, yes. Yeah. All right, call that, and then they'll get you assigned counsel. Once we have assigned counsel, then I can get you a jury trial date for this matter, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
right,
Your Honor.
there's nothing further. You're fine.
All right, so just hang up from the Zoom call and call this number?
Yes, sir. Okay?
Yes.
It's gonna come directly to my courtroom and they know how to move forward, okay?
Yes.
All right, have a good day, sir. That concludes the hearing.
Yes. All right. Thank you.
All right, no problem.
All right.
Tashina Wilborn,
Yeah,
all right, you got that, turn on your camera for me, okay?
I'm coming.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Tashina Wilborn. This is ticket number SP 1312664. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Also calling ticket number SP 1313021. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your name for the record?
Kashina Appreciate Wilborn.
Thank you. So, Your Honor, we're asking that the court accept a not guilty plea at this point and set the matter for a trial date, please. Waiver trial is perfect.
If that's how you want to proceed today, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
I'm sorry.
Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman? That's the gentleman with the glasses on, about your case and about your rights?
Yes,
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set it for a bench trial on the date of March the 22nd. That's March 22nd via Zoom at 9 a.m. Same way you logged on today, logged on that day. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day. Tanisha Williams?
Yes.
I'm calling the matter of the people versus Kanisha Williams. This is ticket P 1197416. Count 1, reckless driving. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Would you state your full name, ma'am?
Kanisha Williams.
Thank you. Judge, we're asking that this matter be adjourned, allowing the defendant to attend the better driver's course. Actually, we're asking for a waiver trial date. She's going to, in between that date and the next action date, come back with a certificate from better drivers, and the hopes that between that certificate and interaction with the officer on the scene that day, that we can come to some sort of resolution.
That's the case, ma'am. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on the date of March 22nd. March 22nd. That's going to be at 9 a.m. via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you then, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day, ma'am.
You too.
All right.
I can leave, right?
You can't leave, Miss Williams, okay? You all set today. Yesterday was a little rough, but you made it today.
Yes, ma'am. I appreciate y'all giving me another chance too.
No problem. I know it happens sometimes, Miss Williams, so we'll see you for your bench trial, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. All right. Yes. Hold on a minute. Officer Lake,
Hello, how you doing?
good. How are you doing?
I'm well. Excuse my tardiness. I had to get my kids to school and handle some business up at their school today. I'm actually here.
I said, you up here sounding like the people who signed in.
I'm sorry about that.
Who are you here on, sir? Miss Patricia Williams?
Yep, Patricia Williams for no
She didn't sign
insurance.
in.
She never signed in today.
Yeah, so you're all set. Thank you though for checking in to make sure. I really appreciate it, okay?
No problem. I appreciate that.
Okay, and you be safe out there, okay, Officer Lake?
All right, now you guys have a good day.
You too.
Judge,
Yes,
Deidre White, I don't remember her signing in earlier. I think she
I
just,
don't either. And listen, I'm looking at my docket. I don't remember having Deidre White signed in.
Yes, ma'am. I just called the office because I couldn't get into the Zoom meeting, so they gave me a new code to get into your Zoom meeting. I just called.
Your hearing was scheduled for 8:30 a.m. and you just called to see how you get in the Zoom meeting?
No, because I've been trying, ma'am, to get in. I downloaded the app and then I got back in and then it kicked me out and then I re-downloaded it.
All right. I'm gonna put you into what's called a breakout room. No one's gonna be in there with you. You'll be in there all by yourself. You just got through my cutoff time, which is 2 hours after. Someone will come in there and talk to you about your case and rights. I have like 3 people ahead of you, so be patient. No one's gonna be in this room. You'll be in there all by yourself, okay?
I understand, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna put you in room 2, okay? It's gonna ask you to join in a minute. Join that room. Attorney Balkman will come in there and talk to you, okay?
Okay.
Do you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, go ahead, Ms. White. Just in time. All right, Ms. Williams, Ebony Williams.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of People versus Ebony Williams. This is ticket 392022, count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Ebony Williams.
Judge, our plea here is not guilty. She's here for a show cause. So she inadvertently missed her last court date. Would you arraign her on a not guilty and set the matter for a waiver trial, please?
All right, you want a waiver trial? Is that what you said?
Yes, Your Honor, please. She's going to waive her right to a jury trial today.
All right, ma'am, can you please raise your right hand for me?
Wait, for Ebony Williams?
For Ebony Williams, what'd you want to do, Ms. Williams?
I don't know. I think he has me mixed up with somebody else. That's not what we discussed. I'm not sure.
Well, refresh my memory, ma'am. I have that in my notes. What is it that you'd like to do? I'm going to serve at your pleasure.
I couldn't. Could you repeat what you said? Because you asked me to send over my ID to you, and that you were going to talk with the prosecutor about getting dismissed.
All right. I'm sorry.
You have a new license? You have a license?
He
I know
did.
he said he had a lot of Williams, so.
I got it. Here it is, Your Honor. I have received from this defendant a valid copy of her driver's license. This was issued on March 30th of 2022 and will not expire until the same month in 2026. Finding that valid and current, we'd ask that since the defendant is compliant here, that the court consider dismissal of the instant cases without prejudice.
All right, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation at this time. Being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice for her having valid documents. You're all set, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you for your attention to the details, Ms. Williams. Bye.
No problem. Bye.
Antonio Wyndham. Antonio Wyndham.
Judge, we'd also ask if you would be so kind to call Davin Williams. That gentleman was here, and I did receive compliance documents from him, and I have an explanation for his absence at this time.
Yay. All right. After Mr. Antonio Wyndham. Mr. Antonio Wyndham, you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I need you to have a seat because this is a court hearing. You can't be doing stuff while you're doing this. You gotta have a seat. All right.
Yes.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Antonio Wyndham. I'll start off with the tickets on the docket, and I'll start off with the tickets and warrant status. Hopefully I have them all today. Ticket number 124000602. Count 1, unregistered motor vehicle. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. Ticket number 12451519, no operator's permit. Ticket number P802190, count 2, drive unregistered or untitled motor vehicle. Ticket number X865667, 1 count drove while license suspended, revoked, denied. Ticket number 476896, count 2, unregistered motor vehicle. Ticket number P935441, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number 124515.
Yeah, I'm here.
112-4515-191.
Judge Taylor. Could you just repeat that last number? I couldn't hear it with the noise.
Last number what? Ticket?
Yes.
Yeah, the very last number, the very last ticket, the number.
Okay. P935441, 1 count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number 124515191, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket SP 802192. No, 1902. 1 count drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket number X2831673. Count 1 reckless driving, no operator's license, multiple operators license on person. U ticket 248-70515. This is 1 count of enter a vacant house without written permission. Z ticket 802729. This is 1 count of violation of the city controlled substance code. Ticket number 10418-402. This is 1 count, no operator's license on person. And U ticket 627-22010. This is 1 count entering without owner's permission. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your full name.
Antonio Wyndham.
Thank you. Judge, we're going to ask that the court enter a not guilty plea and set this matter for pretrial. The defendant has been advised as to how to complete the better driver's course and report compliance to the court and to the prosecutor. We're asking just for next action date, please, a pretrial.
All right. Mr. Willingham, he was looking real confused at some of these tickets. Why are you so confused?
I thought most of them was gone.
Did you come back to court to take care of them? We do. We have a stack that's all closed as well.
Oh.
Right. See, when you miss court days, they pile up. And so you probably handle quite a few of them because we do. We have, yeah, you probably handled a good chunk of them, but these are the ones that are still open. So we need to take care of them. We'll take care of them. You just have to come back to court. Because when you don't, guess what happens, Mr. Winham? They just stay here. And I hold tight to them until you come back to court.
Okay, I've been coming. I've been coming.
You've been coming, so just come so we can take care of these last chunk of them, okay?
So,
all right,
I know the one class that was just a reckless driving class I took. This a whole nother class, ain't it? This a whole nother class.
You take a class?
I took a class already.
What was it? Which one? I'm sorry to interrupt you, honey.
It's okay.
Oh, my last court date, before I went to my last court date.
What was the name of the class that you took?
I can't remember.
Was it www.defensivedriving.com?
It was for I had a reckless driving ticket or something.
Right. Right. So you have a reckless driving ticket here that's still open. Are you saying that you took the class?
Yeah, I took the class.
Where's your certificate?
It's in my I'm glad I screenshot it. I screenshotted it.
Okay. Your Honor, can we recall this case?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The judge, she remember when last time I went to court, she asked me did I do the class before the
We just had some other ones open, so we're gonna put you back into a room so that he can talk to the prosecutor, so we can probably try and resolve it today, okay?
Okay.
All right. I got an offer from Miss Wells. We're gonna put you into room, you were in room 11, but I'm gonna move you to room 3, okay?
Okay.
All right. Miss Wells, it looks like.
But she already agreed to.
All right.
Like the.
She already flew today. All right, so if we do blockading on, she wants to take a blockading, we'll dismiss everything else.
Sounds good. I'll be right back and I'll talk to her about that. We could also make a record for Mr. David Williams, Your Honor. He did specifically give me permission to preside over a dismissal of these cases for compliance.
All right, now calling the matter. Mr. Windham, do you see your invite to go to room 3?
No, ma'am.
Try room 4. Do you see it now? Join.
I pressed the button. Hold on.
Join it.
No, what it supposed to be at?
So tap over in the left-hand corner of your phone. Does something pop up that says breakout room?
Oh yeah, join breakout room. Yes.
Yep. Join number 4 for me, please. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Now calling the matter of Pete versus Devin Williams. This is ticket P1299156. Count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1299151. 1 count disregard signal red or amber. Ticket number SP126066231. Drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. And ticket SP126066233. Driver's license expired. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant, who, Your Honor, does not appear. He did, at this time, he did join the meeting. He let personnel know that he did have to leave for work, and I did have an opportunity to speak to him in the breakout room. He provided me with documents. Specifically, Your Honor, they are his driver's license, registration, and insurance. They are all current and valid. I have sent copies of those documents to Corporation Counsel, Ms. Jansen. Specifically, his driver's license was issued on November 28th of this year and will not expire till the year 2025. His registration to a 2014 Chevrolet is current and will not expire until next October. And his insurance is current and valid until April 26th of 2023 for the same vehicle. We move to dismiss these cases without prejudice based on my attestation as an officer of the court.
All right. So the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss all of the matters except for P1299151. That's a disregard signal red. That's already a default. So we'll just leave it there. And the rest of the case, we'll will be dismissed per valid documentation, okay?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
You're welcome. Now, there's a few other people. See if you can try and get Ms. Zilliner again too. She should still be in there.
Okay.
All right.
We said Candace Wells was in pleading and blockading.
Yep, impeding. Yep, impeding.
All right. Now, you know, she has the other case that she owes 120 on from last year.
Yes.
I'll leave that to your discretion when we come out.
Okay.
I don't think
Yes, the defendant is wondering if he could speak. Go check outside. I don't know where that's coming from.
What?
Patricia Williams.
Yes.
Hi, would you present? Hey, ma'am, is there a reason for the breakout room?
Hello.
Hi, Ms. Williams, is there a reason that you left the breakout room?
Oh, I wasn't ever in the breakout room. I just joined in. My meeting was at 9 a.m.
Yeah, it was. Okay. There was Officer White saying, yeah, you're just joining. Ms. Williams, would you please call the room, call this number? You have a pencil and paper?
I can grab it. 1 second, please. Okay.
313-965.
You said 965?
Yes. 29.
Yes.
Okay, that's the courtroom. Call that number, and the clerk will speak with you.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Williams.
Hello?
Hi, is there a reason you logged off? Is there a reason you logged?
No, I don't know. I was trying to go to my pictures to
I'm sorry, would you repeat that, please? I didn't hear you.
said I was trying to I was going through my pictures to try to get the screenshot from the test I took, and then the phone, I don't know, when I tried to was talking, the phone was hung up when I was going through my pictures.
What breakout room were you in?
Huh?
Do you remember which breakout room you were in?
4.
Okay, I'm gonna put you back in number 4.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
Madam Court Reporter, one of the defendants has called me and she's forgotten the court date that she was assigned. Can you tell me what court date we assigned to Kashina Wilborn?
That would be the clerk who can help you with that.
Okay.
What did you need?
The date for Kashina Wilborn. It's a trial date, waiver trial.
One second.
Mhm.
March 22nd.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, could we call Antonio Wyndham? I'm not able to get at this point an offer from Ms. Jansen. I'm not even sure. I've heard from Ms. Jansen this morning.
No, she's off today. We should
Oh.
have started off by telling you that she is not here today. I'm sorry,
Okay.
I thought you knew that. So
Not
Ms.
a
Jansen
problem.
is not here today, and we have other people who are here. That's why you haven't heard back.
All right,
My bad.
not a problem.
You knew.
So that's the only one we're waiting on. I had Nichelle, and then she dropped off. Oh, there she is. She's still there. She's back in there.
Okay.
So for Nichelle Zillner, she got 2 counts. One is a driving license offense and the other is no insurance. She'd like to plead here to blockade or improper plate.
She has other tickets in the file too.
Oh.
It's a whole lot.
Oh,
You
no.
see the offer that was sent to you?
No,
She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tickets.
Okay, I got it. I'll be right back.
then when I talked to Michelle,
Hello? All right, Attorney Kaufman, you ready?
I am. We just have, Mr. Wyndham, we waiting on an offer from him, but we're ready on the other two cases.
Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, I didn't.
Hello, ma'am? Ms. Zilliner?
Yes.
Okay, all right, here we go. Calling your matter. Now calling the matter of the people versus Michelle Zilliner. Are you going to like a breakout room? Ma'am, are you going to a breakout room?
Yes, I'm in the back of my store. Is it glitching or something?
No, we could just hear all the background noise. I thought you were going to like a breakout.
Yeah, I'm in. Okay, I'm gonna have to step in the restroom because we like a big open store. Okay, I can hear you.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Michelle Zilliner. This is ticket P 1275759. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket P 1297552. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket P 1274904. 1 count defective or missing equipment. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. And ticket number SP 1172801, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Please court Harry Baughman for the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Yes, Michelle Tanae Zellner.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant is going to waive rights to any further hearings. Oh, she's here for show cause, so we're not guilty for the purpose of arraignment, but we're going to change our plea to guilty. There's a recommendation, and my client is going to make a factual basis here today.
Ma'am, if you would like to make a factual basis, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Zilliner, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am, they didn't.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in any of these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay, I want to take your attention back to the date of January 5th of 2022. Were you at that time driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Shaner and Pinewood Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am, I was.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes, ma'am, they was.
And did you not have any proof of insurance on that vehicle that day?
No, ma'am, I didn't.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied as to both counts, Your Honor. Thank you. I stipulate to probable cause as to any matters being dismissed here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So with that being said, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of failed to display and count 2, no proof of insurance. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. Ma'am, the no proof of insurance is did we discuss it? 195?
For the insurance.
Yeah, it is 195. That count is $195. Typically with civil infractions, you have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time for you, ma'am?
If I can get a little longer than that, at least till the beginning of February, because I just came back to work. So I at least have to put like a week or two in the hole.
February 6th? Does that
That's
give you enough
perfect.
time?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
February 6th, 2023, on the remaining ticket, I'm going to waive your cost and fines. But if you have reinstatement fees, which you probably do, you have to pay those, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you are all set. Thank you so much today, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a
Have
great
a good
day.
day, okay?
Bye.
Bye-bye. Deidre White,
Yes, Your Honor.
now calling the matter of the people versus Deidre Rochelle White. This is ticket P 1203870. This is one count drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Okay, please support Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Deidre White.
Judge, we are not guilty for the purposes of arraignment today. We ask that the matter be set for a pretrial. I'm sure the defendant will be able to return in compliance. She's been advised.
How about I got something a little different?
Oh, some better?
Yes. So Ms. White, you paid the two civil infractions that you got on this ticket.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
So the court's gonna dismiss the remaining ticket.
Thank you,
need
Your
to
Honor.
get your license though, okay? So you may have a reinstatement
Yes.
fee you have to pay with this, pay that, and then you'll be able to apply to get your license. But she paid almost $400, a little closer, maybe a little over for the other two tickets. So we'll just dismiss this count one, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, Ms.
Okay, Your
White,
Honor.
get that license though, okay?
I will. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, okay? Yeah, Attorney Baughman, I didn't get to tell you, but she paid her civil infraction, so.
Understood.
Candace Wells?
Yes.
All right. You turn on your camera for me, please. Now calling the matter of the people versus Candace Alexis Wells. This is ticket P 1307160. Count 1, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Count 2, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Candace Wells.
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant is going to plead guilty here today. There's a recommendation. She's gonna make a factual basis right now.
Is that right, Ms. Wells?
Yes.
All right. This is just for the civil infraction. The other ticket they have her trying to plead to is already been adjudicated, the improper plates.
Understood.
Let me ask Ms. Wells this. Ms. Wells, did you go to the City of Detroit program where they were supposed to pay for half of the cost and fees?
No, ma'am, they never called me, and that's what I was trying to tell the attorney that you had enrolled me in something like that, but I never heard from nobody.
Okay. All right. That's probably why I told her half.
Just wait the rest. You could waive the rest.
Okay. All right. All right. Ms. Wells, the plea that they have you doing is a plea of responsible for blockading, which is really good because your speed in that area was not good. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So on the date of January 31st, 2022, in the area of Hubble and Linden Streets in the city of Detroit, Ms. Wells was driving a Chevy vehicle and did block traffic with her speed. Satisfied, counsel?
I am, and I stipulate the probable cause as to the matters being dismissed here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court is going to dismiss the remaining two counts, enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading. Okay, the fine for that is $175. How much time do you need to pay? It's typically 14 days, but I know you may need a little extra time. How much time do you need?
Can I pay it on the 30th of this month?
Oh, yeah, so I'll give you until February 6th, 2023 to have that paid, okay? Ms. Wells, on that other ticket, I believe that I was trying to put you into the program. You said they never called you, but you paid that, was that you that paid that $120?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna waive the remaining costs and fines on that ticket, because that was a part of it, is that someone was supposed to call you so that you could get into that program and you were unable to do so.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Of course, gonna do that. As far as the reinstatement fees, are you able to pay that, ma'am? On that ticket? Was it on this one or the other?
I think it was.
All right. I'm gonna waive the reinstatement fee on that other ticket too. I never do that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
But I know you're working real hard, Ms. Wells, for this, so.
Thank you. I appreciate you so much.
Okay. All right, Ms. Wells. All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
So did you want to try and get an offer on the young gentleman?
Sure.
I'm trying to get somebody to come back.
Okay. Still don't have any proof from him of the course.
I thought you said he was gonna send it to you, Attorney Baldwin.
Yeah, he doesn't have it. I don't think he would have sent it to me. Let me go back and talk to him. Maybe I can,
Yeah, and then if not, then we can like adjourn it until
Yeah.
the day when he can't take it, okay?
yeah, I want him to just go ahead and take this better driver's course. You know, it's less than $50. I'll see if I can get him to do that. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Harris Huffman. Harris Huffman. Mr. Huffman or Ms. Huffman, please unmute your device. Harris Huffman, please unmute your device. Hey, Mr. Huffman, Mr. or Ms. Huffman, I'm going to remove you from the courtroom. Sign back in using audio, please. We can hear you. We don't have a Huffman on the docket today.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Let me see if we have somebody named Ferris on our docket.
Hello?
Hello, is Mr. or Ms. Huffman? Please
Yes,
activate.
can you hear me now?
You can, yes. Please turn your camera on.
Give me 1 second. I'm trying to figure out how to work this, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Do you have another, Mr. Huffman, or Ms. Huffman, do you have another last name besides Huffman?
Yes, it's William Hyphen Huffman. And I had a major meeting scheduled, a court hearing scheduled for 9 o'clock, but I forgot about it and I was on break at work.
Is William your first name?
Paris is my first name. My last name is Williams Hyphen Huffman.
Okay, I got you. Okay.
He missed his trial. You were supposed to be here at 9 a.m. It's 11:20 a.m., sir. Call the courtroom. Ready for the number?
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Huffman. I'm talking to you. You were supposed to be here at 9 a.m. It's 11:20 a.m.
Yes, ma'am. I understand. That's what I was trying to see if I can reschedule. I forgot I had a court case today and I was at work. That's what I was trying to figure out. Is there a way to reschedule? I was on my break. I just remembered. I'm sorry.
Habeas status because you didn't come this morning.
That's why I was trying to reschedule, ma'am. I didn't want to end up in habeas status. Hold on, how do I cut this camera on? Okay, there I go. Can you hear me, ma'am?
I can hear you.
Yes, is there any way for me to set up another court date? Because I honestly forgot about it.
I set up a new court date is you have to come down here
What day would that be?
any day. But you have to go to the front and tell them that you need some new court dates.
Okay. So I just come down to the courthouse and tell them I need new court dates?
Tell me you missed your hearing date back on today. I mean, you can do it as soon as Monday. Tell them you missed your court dates on last Friday, and then they'll reschedule you to be back on the docket. You'll start the process all over again.
Oh my God.
I know. All right. All right, let me do this last matter. Put yourself on mute, Mr. Wyndham.
Yes. To put it on mute?
No, not you. Recalling the matters of the people versus Antonio Wyndham. I caught these matters in all a moment ago, and we are back on the record in them. Appearances for the record, starting with Mr. Baughman, Attorney Baughman, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Antonio Winham.
Judge, we would thank you again for your lengthy reading of the information and complaints. We're asking that these matters be set for a pretrial. The defendant is going to bring back proof that he attended any driving improvement courses that he has, and thereby received the best offer available under the circumstances. Thank you.
All right. Sir. How long is it gonna take you to take that class, sir?
Okay.
If I give you a month, is that gonna be enough time?
Yes, ma'am. Hold on 1 second. My AirPods. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
If I give you a month, that's enough time?
Yes, ma'am. A month.
Yeah, because I'm looking at February 17th right now.
Okay.
Okay? But you gotta come back
Yes,
for all
ma'am.
these matters, okay?
Huh?
You have to come back, okay? 8:30 a.m.
Okay. On February 17th.
Yes, sir. With that certificate. Okay?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. We're almost there. So
All
let's
right.
get this done, okay?
Hey, Judge.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Judge. I know.
Yes.
It's gonna be another time, but remember you said you was gonna look out for me.
I said I was gonna do what?
You said you was gonna be a little lenient on me.
Absolutely. I vaguely
Because
remember you, sir.
your clerk ain't throw it out. Remember you said remind you? Okay.
Remind you.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, Mr. Winham, I'm gonna be lenient, but you gotta do what we're asking you to do, and I'm gonna remember. And one of the reasons is because you owe so much money, and we want you to try and get in compliance, but we gotta figure it out, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Keep showing up, and I'll have some leniency, definitely, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
And you keep reminding me too, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll see you back on February 17th, okay?
Okay, have a good one.
You too. You too.
Okay.
Bye-bye. All right, Mr. Huffman, I'm sorry, you gotta come down here and try and get it figured out, okay? All right, that concludes